Okay, we are taking the turbocharger off, and to do the job you need to take the fan off. As you can see, you do not need to take this pipe off. It's possible to do without taking the charge pipe. So we disconnected few vacuum lines. Also we marked them. On the passenger side we have few solenoids, and here we have actuator, and yeah, all of these vacuum lines are marked, so it's much easier to assemble it. And right now we unscrew this full valve oil line to the turbocharger, and we also need to unscrew the second line on that side. So on this side is also oil line right here, and because you need to take this heat shield for turbocharger. Indeed, you will need to disconnect this PCV valve connectors. So here is the heat shield for turbocharger, and here's our small turbocharger. We are taking small turbocharger, and we have difficulty to take the heat shield because this oil line is on the way. So we unscrew a little bit the screw, because we couldn't unscrew it fully because it's locked a little bit. So we unscrew and we took this heat shield off. As you can see, this small turbocharger is located right here. So here is few screws around, and also few full oil lines which needs to be unscrewed. For example, this one needs to be unscrewed, and this also needs to be unscrewed. Yeah, for example, this you don't need to unscrew this line actually, because it's not on the way. So you do not need to unscrew this hot washer. It's gone. Yes, this pipe is on the way, so you need to unscrew this screw. It's tightened to the block. So after you unscrew the screw, it will be loose. So you need to next step you need to unscrew unplug this connector. So there is one clips, and you need to press this second clips, and you need to slide it down. Or we took off this PCV pipe, so, and we took together with this big pipe. As you can see, it's possible. You need to press this bracket, and you need to take off these clips, metal clips. So as you can see, the connector which go into the turbo, so it's plug and play. So you do not need to unscrew any screws. As you can see, locking mechanism is located right there, and it's located right here, and you need to unscrew the second one. The lights, yeah, it's located here. Yeah, it's located here. Second screw. Imbus 5. We have 10mm nut here, located right here. Just mount to this pipe. Yeah, we found out that this pipe has at the bottom has two screws. I'm gonna show you now. One is here, One is here screw and the second is here. So you need to unscrew the two, and this side has only one. Okay guys, we took off the small turbo. There was some difficulties, especially it was difficult to take these two hoses, and first you need to take off this small hose, this small bridge. It is located here, so you need to move the turbo to the bumper side, like slide it, like move it, take this small hose off, and then you will able to take this first, the second hose, and then it took a lot of time to take this hose, and you will able to take the turbocharger. I'm gonna show you what's going on here. The turbocharger actually has some like clearance. It's big, but the worst thing that it makes noise. It makes noise. It makes noise. So we will replace with the Chinese or with another one.